Hello friends, welcome to your channel. Firstly, I want to thank those subscribers who have subscribed our channel and request those who have not to subscribe our channel for more useful videos from our channel. This video is about career in library and information science. Those who want to build a career in library and information science and those who want to know about it, please watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. Thanks. Let us go to the video. The first fact is a career in library and information science provides opportunities to work in and manage the repository of books, that is large quantity of books. When you visit a library, you can see stacks of books arranged in a particular manner and an online or offline cataloging systems which helps the readers to find particular books and in a particular place in the library. The second fact is it is a full-fledged discipline of study at graduate and postgraduate level through a number of theoretical and practical papers like role of library and information, difference between data, knowledge and information, types of libraries, for example, physical, public or special libraries. You will also study about various formats of libraries like digital, physical and virtual libraries, how to organize library books and magazines, how to catalog library books and magazines, how to apply information technology in libraries, web-based communication systems in libraries, preserving library materials, and more you will study in your library and information science. Third fact is library and information science is not only an academic discipline but also a professional field with specific inputs, making the aspirants equipped for this professional career. Fourth fact is about the courses which are available for information and library and information science. Certificate courses are available, the duration of which will be from 3 months to 6 months. Then diploma courses which will be from 6 months to 1 year. Then graduation and post-graduation level, offered by both public and private institutions. It is highly advisable to go for a bachelor's degree in the subject to make a long-term career in this field. Fifth fact you should know is about research in library and information science. That is, you can go for MPhil or PhD, which are available both in Indian and also with foreign universities. They also provide scholarship-based research opportunities. But you have to make a thorough research about these universities or colleges, and you have to choose a reputed institution well equipped with reasonable fees. But most of the private institutions will charge high fees, but the quality of the teaching will be good. If you prefer to go for, or if you can afford for private institutions, you can go for private institutions either in India or abroad. And what is the job profile in this field, which I have given clearly. At junior level, classifying, cataloging, storing, retrieving the information sources like library assistant. At senior level, supervision, enriching information sources, seeking recommendations from the readers and stakeholders, that is, persons with some interest for particular subjects may recommend some books to store in the library. The role also can be budget preparation to procure the books and what all books the library will require and the readers will be interested in reading. Librarian or the person who is in senior position has to also estimate and procure the books, magazines, newsletters, etc. for the library. And the seventh thing which you should know is what are the job opportunities where available. Job opportunities will be available with schools, colleges, universities, premier institutes like IIM, IIT, NITs and lot of other private institutes also, professional educational institutes, research institutes, public libraries, TV channels and media houses. You may start your career as a library assistant, but after gaining experience with qualifications, with additional qualifications, you can move up to senior positions in some organization, or you will get better offers from other institutions or organizations. And the next fact you should definitely know is about digital libraries. Due to domination of technology, libraries nowadays are going the digital way. So as a chief librarian or library or information manager or even as a library assistant, one will have to spend much time in this digital part. So knowledge about any particular software specially designed for the management of libraries is must for those who want to build a successful career in this field. What are the related or associated careers in this field which I have listed on the left side? First one is content developer. You can go for content developer job. You can search job in professional training institutes which might require the persons who have qualification in library and information science. Social media platforms also need such persons. E-learning companies also need. You can also go for a database management job or a book conservator, that is preserving the books, magazines, everything. That is the responsibility of a person. So these are the related careers you can go for, which I have listed here. These are the basic skills which are needed for the person who want to build a successful career in library and information science. First is methodological approach, that is you should have some analytical and logical skills. You should have organizing ability, how to organize the books according to the subjects, topics, whatever. Then you should have the patience. You should have a lot of patience in dealing with the readers of the library. You have to help the readers in finding out the books which they require. Then good at using latest technology, which I have already discussed. You should be familiar with the latest technology which I have explained in digital libraries. All these are the basic skills which are definitely needed nowadays for you to be successful in this field. I hope this video is very useful for you, and in future also you please watch our videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.